Hello guys, welcome to our first Python tutorial. In a series of several tutorials, we will learn the basics of Python, a programming language with a bright future. In the first tutorial, we will learn how to use comments and output to the terminal. For this tutorial, we will need a Python IDE. I will use VS Code. I suggest you download it too. Now that we have the IDE, we're going to create a new Python file. I'll call it main.py. All Python files must have the extension .py. Now that we have a Python file created, we can start writing code. To start, we will create a single-line comment. Although comments may not seem like a useful thing right now, they are actually very useful because they help you distinguish what a certain part of the code is doing when you have a long code. To create a single-line comment, we first need to type the hashtag character, then write the text that we do not want to be printed. Sometimes we need a longer comment on multiple lines. Since Python doesn't officially allow this, we can use triple quotation marks at the beginning and end of the commented text. The last part of today's tutorial will be more interesting. We will actually print text to the terminal. To print text in Python, we use the print command with brackets at the beginning and end. Everything inside these two brackets will be printed to the terminal. To print literal text to the screen, we need to use quotes. In Python, we can use single or double quotes. Let's type "Hello World" and now run our first Python program. As you can see, the text actually printed to the terminal as we wanted. Bravo! If you want to learn even more Python, watch the next video, which will talk about variables and many other interesting things. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.